I thought I was going to be a professional ice skater. I started skating when I was about 7, 8 years old.
I wanted to be so many things.
Working my way through grad school, I got a part-time job at a makeup counter, and it's just kind of blossomed from there.
I had always been a KIEHL'S customer.
The one thing I did know is that I didn't want to be behind a desk.
What I love about working at KIEHL'S, besides our great products, my customers, my teams, my coworkers, it's a real sense of community.
Just working with the customer and having them come back and ask for you by name and you know them by name.
I loved KIEHL'S. I was very lucky to be offered store manager position at a retail store.
There's also a great entrepreneurial spirit. In other words, I feel as if whatever I set my mind to in my career will be supported, and I can really go for it.
The thing that I love the most about the KIEHL'S customer, they're very diverse. And when I work with them, they share their experiences.
Over the years, I have 4 generations that come in together, all the way from the great-grandmother down to the grandbaby. You go through their lives with them.
KIEHL'S is super committed to the community, it's committed to its customers, it's committed to its KCRs, and that is really important to me.
Wanting to make a difference, wanting to set an example, I think KIEHL'S represents all of that.
The history is so rich, and when you look back to Aaron Morris and the family that founded KIEHL'S and really their commitment to the community, they did what it took to take care of people.
I think the growth possibilities are endless with KIEHL'S.
If you're passionate about what you're selling, if you understand the business, you can do anything you want.
With the way the company is growing right now, I really see many opportunities and possibilities, not only in KIEHL'S, but in other brands as well under the L'Oreal portfolio.
I loved it when I was in onboarding, training as a new store manager, and everyone spoke, and I witnessed it every week of you coach people up.
Through the trainings that we have, KIEHL'S really cares about developing each and every one of us.
We are growing at such a rapid rate. There's something for everyone in this company. I'm so excited to be a part of something that has this great energy and momentum behind it.
There are just certain things that you just walk away with knowing that you're a part of, and you just are proud.
The word is starting to get out there, really because of the incredible quality and integrity of our product, the amazing talent and passion of our people. The opportunities for the business are limitless.